string manipulation. So till condense we have done, right? Yeah, till condense. So this is the condense. Okay, till condense we have done. Now I'm going to use replace. First program. Okay, replace string. So data zb zb underscore str equal to second. Okay, now I am going to replace first with the second. Replace which string I will use. Let me take first string. Someone is on the meeting admin. Paheli. Okay. Replace ZV string at, or what we can use. Yeah, hello. I think so. STR I already used, right? So I can use STR2, or else I can use R. Replace this in replace this string in this string uh, at okay with FIRST. Replace first in this main string with this uh, second. Okay, now I have to write WRITE, write. Replace the string here. I can use skip. I will print this main string. Here I have to put comma. Suppose color 2. Okay, it is converted into uppercase, right? I have used the lowercase. So, okay, let me check which string in proper shape. Yeah, after after condense with single gaps, right? After condense with single gaps, this string having proper format. Let me use this only. Now you can see my second program is in this batch. Okay, first is replaced by second. And also you can write directly like this also, like this also you can write, no need to declare the variable also, like, yeah, so it will work. Yeah, you got it right. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now I will use replace with all occurrence. Suppose I'm using replace all occurrence of what, space. Okay, I don't want space in zv underscore str1 with which letter, something I will put symbol. Okay, again I will print. Okay, there is a single character. 1 second. SC38. Suppose I'm using I, then see what happened. Let me execute this. Yeah, I is replaced by H. Okay, then why space is not replaced? 1 minute. Space, I think so. It is not covering. 1 minute, but it should cover actually. I have done. Mm, there is some mistake I have done. I think so. Replace all occurrence of space. And C38. Every space character in the string specify the target. So it should work actually. And let me try this one only. Here I will put. Okay, let me write this. Hmm, R1. Suppose I'm taking R1 underscore R1 underscore R1. Let me print. So why it is getting endless loop? I need to check actually. I don't know why it is going, but it should work actually. And let me check that. But how the replace is working, that I have given here. Okay, for space, why it is not working? Let me check. In next class, I will tell you. Upper translate to lower, that I have said. Yeah, split statement, right? So split statement, how it works. Uh, Let me give you. Skip. Yeah, split, right? Yes, PLIT, split. Suppose there is a variable, data email, okay, equal to, suppose there is email like Subham at the rate Gmail. You want to validate the email. Suppose email is wrong or good. User will provide some email, right? It is correct or wrong, how you will validate? So you will validate using this logic. You can split, right? If you found two variables correct, um, at the rate, then you can know, right, this is a wrong email id maintained by the provided by the user. So how to do? Split, split, split email into uh, at rate into table lt email. Okay, now you have to declare the table. Okay, let me declare like this, it will works or not. Let me check. This is the new syntax actually. I I don't think so it will work. Yeah, it will not work. Let me declare one variable. uh, I will copy that here. This is okay. This scenario is not created. Let me create um, data lt email type string. Okay, type table of. Okay, now put breakpoint here. Okay, let me activate, then only you can put breakpoint and check the data, how the data is populating in the internal table. uh, yeah, so you can check here internal table. Okay, after it will come out, right? SE38. So breakpoint is the keyword. When you write, it is hard coded, so it will program will stuck here to check. See here, the internal table having two record, right? Subham and gmail.com. So if there is two line item, then you can know this is correct. Mail id is maintained. Also last one you can compare with your uh, domain, right? What domain he is maintained. Since contains parameter, you can check whatever you want to do. So you can manipulate your string and validate the input which user is provided. Hello. So how to write the internal table? Write slash. Okay. Uh, okay. First I have to loop loop at lt email. Okay, now and loop, because this is internal table, so we have to loop first. um, so here if you are looping, then
उनसे बात करने
you have,
मजाक।
yeah.
यस सर।
हाँ बोलिए।
नहीं सर कुछ नहीं, शुभम पूछ रहा था कि वो फोन लेने गया था ना अभी। सर क्या
फोन,
बता रहे हैं? हम लोग मीटिंग रूम में है ना सर, तो बाहर गया था, तो पूछ रहा था आप क्या बता रहे हैं।
अच्छा
यस सर।
ये है। ओके, ऐसे प्रिंट होता है इंटरनल टेबल। ओके, you have to look the internal table and you have to write the statement and you can print your data. So there is another way to split. Okay, this basically we are using in API, like API and something integration. Okay, this is the second syntax where simply you can split and validate the data. Okay, so split this, right? But when it is used, suppose this is long string like 5,000 character, correct? Then you don't know how many data it can be split and how much variable you can create. Then you have to go with this table functionality. Okay, but if you know how many variable I have to declare after the split, how many variable I can declare to capture the data after the split, then you can simply write this logic into data lv temp and data lv underscore temp1. Here I know there is one at the rate, so there will be, after a split there will be two variable. I know that, that's why I've declared. If there is three, then I have to declare three variable, correct? Because I know that if you don't know how much variable after the split, then you have to go with the internal table to validate your input. Okay, two. Okay, so here write write lv temp lv temp1 lv temp2. Okay, so here I will add slash. Now execute it. See here, Subham gmail.com, right? Three variable. So internal table automatically it will display you the data, right? But here you have to declare each variable, right? Now this is the difference. So based on the requirement, you can populate, you can write your logic. In which scenario this logic will fit, in which scenario this logic will fit, you have to think and you have to write the logic. No one going to tell you. Okay, now What is the next? Split overlay. Yeah, same thing only. We have to overlay. Let me copy paste this one. Suppose O1 overlay, O2 overlay. This is two variable I have declared. Now before overlay statement, before 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 what is the variable, right? What is the input? Slash O1 O1, all right? And this is the statement O1 and O2. Now after overlay statement executed, what will be the output? Let me print this uh, O2. What happened? Okay, this is not declared, right? Data. Let me declare also data. Okay, this one is O. This one is O. See how overlay. Uh, what is this? 1 second. This is O2. So first string is A, B, C, D, E, right? And second string is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After overlay statement, one one is overlay by A. 2 is empty, so empty is overlay by 2, so it will display 2 like that. It will come first string it will come like this. Second string as it is, because we are writing overlay one string with second. Okay, so like this not mostly we are using this. I have never seen such requirement to do this. Yeah, most of the time we can use this one, left shift statement and right shift statement. This we are using regularly, but in S4 HANA this is also not required. There is a like automatically system will handle this. So here let me declare the variable uh, string 4 is apple. Left shift statement. Now shift this string left by two place, right? ap will remove and ple will display here. Okay, let execute it and see how it will. See ple, right? In real scenario when it was used, okay, So let me give you some example. uh, yeah, control D, 002456, right? So in output you don't want 00. See here, right? Now 00 is not coming. Okay, so like that only. um, right shift statement. Similarly, right shift statement is also this is right shift only, right? Okay, this is written wrong actually. Okay, let me correct this. String 4 uh, after RIGST, right shift statement. Okay, two places. So right LE will remove. Let me check what is wrong. Right by two places. Right shift statement. Yeah, see, right two digit 00 is removed. In real time we are using this for this purpose only, to remove zeros. Suppose let me give you more accurate. 00. Okay, but this is decimal, right? See, 00 is also removed. This is character actually. Okay, let me declare one variable. uh, Data ZV decimal type type P. P is the decimal. Okay, here I am giving 2. Decimal 4. Okay, let me give you 4. What happens sometimes in a smart form, right? When you are displaying some digit total amount, right? Then the point 00 and it will exceed, right? During that time you are going to use this syntax actually, to print only digit in your smart form, not more than that. But here Okay, it should be character type, not decimal type. A string is not supporting for decimal. So better I can take string, because this is string manipulation, right? So yeah, string is good actually here. 1 2 3. mm, this is a string, this is two place, suppose three place. Okay, let me remove why it is not working. Okay, it is shifting. Okay, it is not. It will not replace. It just shift from here to move actually to three places like that. Okay. Suppose I am giving 20. Yeah, like this. It will move. This letter, whole letter will shift after 20 character. Okay. So this shift by right, it will just not remove the letter. It will just shift the letter to 20 character. After 20 character, this letter will print. Okay. So let me do this and do this. What happen when you print APPLE, left shift, right? So when you shifting the left, there is no memory, no space, right? This place is itself zero. zero index like 0 1 2 array, you know, right? 0 1 2 3 4. So memory is allocated only this, and if you are trying to shift, then two letter will remove, because you are placing this text left side. But for the right shifting, whole letter, it is shifting to after 20 character. Okay, so this is the purpose actually we are using. These are used only in smart form actually, Adobe Form, smart form, to print the text in the proper alignment. Uh, Going to circular. Left. This one also I covered. String length. Search. Search I have not covered, right? Let me check. No, I don't. I have not covered. So suppose I'm using for search, I'm using same statement. This one, okay, email one. Suppose user provided email, but he forget to provide at the rate. So search at the rate, at the rate in syntax. Search, okay, for email. Okay. If found, if sci s su p rc equal to 0, and if here write correct email address. Okay, else I will not put else, I will take different string. Suppose I will take this one, apple one. In apple there is no, so not equal to. Okay, e- uh, not correct email address maintained. So this validation I have put. Now execute it. You can see not correct email address maintained. Okay, something wrong in the search for app. Okay, I have mentioned wrong. Search email for at the rate. at the rate. Now, in first string, we have the at the rate, right? Then it is printing correct email address. In second string, we don't have correct, like in Apple, there is no at the rate. So it is printing no correct, not correct email address maintained. So like that it works. Let me give you skip. Yeah, skip. Yeah, you're following, right?
Yes, sir.
So rest, you are not getting bored. Yeah, offset already I have explained, right? So anything miss? Yeah, circular is missed. Okay. Let me cover this also. Circular, circular, circular. Okay. Check this circular how it works. Circular. Uh, yeah, activate it and execute it. It's going in debug mode. Let me remove this. Yeah. See here, circular means uh, this is a little bit tricky actually. APP, APP, like two character, right? LE will move here. PLE, PLE will move here, and AP will move forward. Okay, two character, right? Two character. So after two character, PLE will move, and AP will move here, like this. You got it, right? So if I will put 3, so yeah, 3 means LE. LE will move here and APP will come forward. It will move. After 3 character, the text will move um, in circular way, like in loop actually. So this is the string manipulation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes we require string manipulation for validation purpose. Okay, some text maintain and text is not proper maintained. Also you want to display something in the text and you want to validate the input and output string and put some like hexa, this image conversion, right? Whenever you will receive the image conversion, then you are translating that image into PDF something. So during that time, you will use split statement and replace statement, replace all occurrence. Mostly we are using that in that scenario. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is all about the string manipulation. I have not put the uh, some let me go to PDF PPT. Let me talk with other guys also. Yeah, hi, Snehalata and Paheli and Tanmay. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
So this is your second class, right? But from scratch, I have not started for you people, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can speak frankly. No, no. I am not that type of person. You can speak with me freely, or else you can talk in Hindi also. No issue in that. Hi, hello, Paheli and Snehalata. One by one, you can start. Hi, Tanmay. आप बोलिए पहले.
हाय सर.
यहाँ बोलिए. आपको स्ट्रिंग मैनिपुलेशन इसलिए मैंने शुरू किया क्योंकि वो बहुत इजी है, राइट? और आप भी कैप्चर कर पाए क्या हो रहा है, राइट? ओके.
हाँ
सो आपका ये पहला सेकंड क्लास था, राइट?
हाँ, ये सेकंड क्लास था आज का.
अच्छा. और बेसिक का आपको जैसे एसएपी के बारे में वो तो बताना पड़ेगा, राइट? तो वो कब से स्टार्ट करे? दूसरा बैच स्टार्ट करना है क्या? और दूसरे बैच में कौन कौन ज्वाइन करेगा?
सर कुछ बोल रहे थे फ्राइडे से करने के लिए.
फ्राइडे से करने के लिए, राइट? वही मैं जानना चाह रहा हूँ. तो यू कैन स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग, शुभम. फ्राइडे, या फ्राइडे से स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो में